bad idea from the beginning. Mine involves an apple too. I planted an apple about 20 feet away from a black walnut. And a lot of this had to do with the fact that I had a very small yard. This was my last garden, and width of my yard was only about 50 feet. And I have sun on one side and not so much sun. So I avoided the shade and stuck it over on the sunny side, but it was within about 20 feet of this walnut. And for those of you who do not have a black walnut in your life, black walnuts, congratulations. They inject something into the soil with their roots called juglones, and it is a growth inhibitor to basically knock out the competition. I mean, it's extremely clever. It doesn't do it for all plants, but apples are one of the plants that is susceptible. And I knew that. I didn't know it like I lived it, but I read about it. And I thought, they say 50 feet from the root zone, but come on. How bad could it be? Yeah. Struggled, died. There you go. Bad idea from the start.